Now, all right, increasing the capacity of individual or the group to make the choice and the transformation, those choice into desirable action and the outcomes. Okay, so yeah, so empowerment is also, I mean, there is some process in which we distribute the authority to everyone, right? And we believe that we can do it together as a family of Rashtriya PG College. Okay. So there are have some 5 components, like people can ask how many components are there. So one is the sense of self-worth, and another one is we have a determine the choice and access to the opportunity, and many more we can discuss on it, right? So मैं एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ सभी लोगों को कि जैसे वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे हमेशा हम बात करते हैं, एंड आई थिंक वी बिलीव दैट वी आर हाईएस्ट क्वालिफाइड पर्सन एंड मोस्ट जेंटलमैन पर्सन एटलीस्ट ऑन द अर्थ. अगर हम नोटिस करें तो गांव में, विलेज में, हमारे घर पे वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट या इसकी प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से चालू होता है. तो अगर आप देखें घर पे अगर कभी कभी कोई लेडीज अगर किसी सब्जी में ज्यादा नमक डाल दिया तो जो गार्जियन होता है वो क्या करता है, थोड़ा सा डांटता है ना. और लेडीज लोग फिर कोई कुछ बोलते नहीं है. हमारा ये मतलब नहीं है कि हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि लेडीज को कुछ बोलना चाहिए, लड़ाई करना चाहिए, बट वहां पे लेडीज को भी लग जाता नहीं, he have different kind of power and we have different kind of work. So यहाँ से ये चीजें शुरू होता है और उसी चीजों को हमारे बच्चे देखते हैं. तो गर्ल्स को भी लगता है कि नहीं, हमारा एम्पावरमेंट उतना अच्छा नहीं जितना बॉयज का है. सो ये जो प्रेजुडाइस है, एटलीस्ट बी पीपल बी अ फैमिली ऑफ राष्ट्रीय पीजी कॉलेज, इसको हम आई थिंक अपने घर से ही एक इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है और हम बी आर द पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी. तो अगर हम लोग अच्छा करेगा तो बाहर भी अच्छा होगा. थैंक यू. या ओके. So there are, like I said, that this empowerment is not in one form, and like कोई भी आदमी जो एक सक्सेस पर्सन होता है वो हर एक लाइफ में, चाहे पॉलिटिकल, सोशल, एजुकेशन, हर चीज होता है, राइट. सो हमारा डेवलपमेंट और वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट की भी बात जो हम करना चाह रहे हो हर डायरेक्शन में करना चाह रहे हैं. ओके. So we have some record. The total population is 121 in the 2011 that Sensex had done, and also the women is 586 this million, due to the 48.5, sex ratio 943, the child ratio is 919 over the thousands. Agra, please go fast little slide. So we have some notice. हम लोग इसको देखते हैं. अगर हम 2013 का अगर हम रिपोर्ट नोट करें, उसमें इन्होंने बताया है कि जो हमारा डेवलपमेंट इंडिकेटर है साउथ एशियन कंट्री में, एक्सेप्ट अफगानिस्तान, वो रैंक बेटर देन वीमेन इन इंडिया. अगर हम अफगानिस्तान को छोड़ दें तो एशिया में जितने भी कंट्रीज आ रहे हैं वहां पर इंडियंस जो लेडीज हैं उनका जो एक एम्पावरमेंट की वैल्यू है बहुत कम है, और जो कि ये हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. अगर आज हम देखें हमारा डिफेंस मिनिस्टर है ना, और आज डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, बहुत से लोग आज साइंस के क्षेत्र में बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, राइट. सो एंड आल्सो women from 48% of the Indian population, only 29% of the national workforce, which is very less. And we have some more, I mean, present situation in the women. I do not want to go inside deeply, but this slide that I think you are looking, right, and this is very bad. And also the 66% and this educational women also, if you see this 2021 in the primary level, right. So these are the things that we should take care. We also have this gender disparity literacy, that I mean 15 to 19 we have 29%, see, right, 23% in this age. And also we have a gender this disparity in the medical exposure, like the men have 88, women have 71, right. So these are the things that we should take care. Another area of the gender disparity. So these are the things I have drawn a diagram, you can look at it through it. And this is the diagram we had taken from the WHO. Also in the economic cases, जो लोग आप देखें तो वर्क पार्टिसिपेशन वीमेन है 25% है, और अर्बन में अगर आप यही देखें वीमेन का तो 11.18, जो कि इतना ज्यादा, जो कि 80%, आप समझ सकते हैं. तो हमें एम्पावरमेंट को एक रूरल लेवल पे बहुत अच्छे से हम यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट. अब ये देखें हमारे पास एक अनदर रिकॉर्ड है ऑक्यूपेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, जो कि प्रोफेशनल, सेल्स एंड सर्विस, हर एक चीज का आपके सामने है. तो ये हमने अभी सेम बात किया है. And now we should move for the next. Yes. Yeah. So on हेल्थ केयर ये हमने ऑलरेडी बात किया है, और ये हमारा एक ग्राउंड्स है जी की proportion of women turn out to the voting at the 58%. Yeah. So why do we need a women empowerment? This is very good question, right? So the first thing, gender discrimination, women education, female infanticide and dowry marriage in the same caste and the child marriage, right? ये हम सभी जानते हैं, एक एक वर्ड जानते हैं, और हम चाहते हैं अगर हमारा चाइल्ड जो है वो आगे बढ़े तो नॉर्मल सी बात है, हमारा देश तभी आगे बढ़ सकता है जब हमारे घर का हर एक मेंबर आगे बढ़े, राइट? हम ये नहीं सोच सकते हैं कि लेडीज आगे ना बढ़े तो हाफ ऑफ द कंट्री कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है. सो उनके पास क्या डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर, फ्रीडम मूवमेंट, and I think these are things is better and good position in our college, but we should extend this to the local peoples also. Holistic approach also you can see, right? Okay, way to how to empower. So first is the change in the women mobility and the social interaction, right? In the labor cases also there are many ways that we can do it. So I'm sorry today we are running little fast because so providing education, self-employment, minimum need of nutrition, health, these are things that the government is already providing. We don't need to worry about it. The career is most important. The role of like NGO also working lot of, right? Even the good thing about the current government that all the NGO are the officially registered. Yes, so the role of government already we had already said they are already working day by night, and it's really we can see the changes. We don't need to go outside, we can see in our college itself. So these are the program that's running by this government. So interested people can visit here. So this is the project that I had already said, and this is the very good project, and the government have little bit fund here. The national policy for the empowerment in this also that we have already, and Rashtriya Mahila course, this is also already running. This is the credit fund to the women. And another one, the Google 3 is that eliminate the gender disparity in the primary, second. This is our motive. That what we can do. This is the thing that we can do in our societies through our college, right? Yeah. So the uniform in the women founded the United Nations, they have already said, I mean, the empowerment, the quality, that this is also in these days, it is not a problem, right? So yeah, that is also the same thing, preventing this, and we all are aware about this. Yes, so another collection that we had already taken care, and International Women Day we used to celebrate, right? Yeah. So the conclusion is, this is the important point, women represent half of the world of the population and gender inequality. Normal सी बात, पूरी दुनिया में आधे हम men हैं, आधे women हैं, तो देश पूरा संसार आगे तभी बढ़ सकता है जब दोनों को आगे चलना होगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक आगे खींच रहा है आगे. Until the women given the same opportunity to the men, entire society will perform the true potential. So this is our responsibility. Yes. So the positive story, I have written one story, and so definitely I am going to share this slide to everyone, including the student and the teachers. The story is very nice. I think you can go through it. This is the story that we had taken from the rulers. So there are Mahila Morcha banks also, and some associations also working for a minimal of 5 years. Yes. So things have written. Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
मेरा क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
Adra, please move the next slide. Okay, so there are too much technical issue today. So this last 2 slide there was conclusion. I mean, हम लोग अपना क्या contribution कर सकते हैं? Yeah, this legal empowerment we have already taken care of it, right? We already discussed in detail. Yes. So the political empowerment हम सभी लोग जानते हैं क्या contribution है ladies का और women का already sufficient है. I think in teaching में भी बहुत अच्छा है. बट हमें क्या करना, जो हमारे यहाँ स्टूडेंट पढ़ते हैं वहां उनके साथ में ऐसा एक एम्पावरमेंट उन्हें फील आए हमारे कॉलेज से, ताकि वो अपने घर को बता सकें, पड़ोसी को बता सके, ताकि एक कॉलेज के थ्रू ही चेंज ज्यादा पॉसिबल है. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन. सो and now we are going to take the attendance, and which is very important to everyone. So please be online. Yeah, so Ardhara, please just stop the sharing. Yes, so I think everyone are here. Yes, ma'am, Parli ma'am. So can we take
Yes,
the
sir.
please?
Yes, Satyam.